Hello guys, welcome to Priceless Knowledge, and today I'm going to tell you about another new job opportunity, uh, which is company from Shopify. I already applied and given an assessment too. So which is a customer support agent. So in that, firstly you have to apply. If you have an account on LinkedIn, then it's easy to apply. Just click on apply, then you will get some details about your name and surname and your phone number. Some details will ask, and you have to be right on it, and then you will get assessment of like this, and you just have to be practice of demo assessment like that. How will chat on the shipping delay inquiry and product quality concern, how you will respond to the customer on the time, and how much time it will take. So this is will explain, this is all about this assessment. So and last one is which is you have to so the query comes on mail, so how you will may revert the mail to the customer. This is it's all about assessment. When you complete the assessment, you will get a call from an HR of this company. So you will get it is the good opportunity who wants to seek in a career customer support. So firstly I just want to tell you about another new job opportunities who are interested in teaching, or who wants to be a teacher. So it's on a work from home profile again. It is also the both are work from home profiles. So which is uh, Planet Spark. So I already applied for this, and this is available a full time and part time too. So in that you have to be apply first, and you will get some details regarding the job opportunity. You will get some details like you have to fill this form, and you will get a mail from the this Planetary Spark and complete the application. I already got a mail from it almost, Neha, and this was completed, and I got selected also. The starting process. You have to firstly enter the details, and you have to complete the 6 stages on this platform. Firstly, they ask some general questions regarding your uh, opportunity, and then they will ask some demo classes. Then you will have to be give some interview questions regarding this subject of teachers who want how what is the they just give me a brief of what is the Planet Spark it's all about, and you will learn to know that what you have, what your work in this role. So they will explain everything by jobs and salary also, how can they, and training session, everything they will explain you in this completing the stages. And the last final round, which is an HR round. The in HR round they will ask just general HR introduction, and how you will present yourself in an interview. There's all there, and after that completion, you will get selected, and you have to be verify your documentations. Then you will get an training session. It will be starting from Monday. I given my interviews and selected, and also you have to give a assessment here, which is grammatical and the problem solving, and also psychology, a little bit like how you respond to the children's in different way of situations. And also English, mainly you have to know the fluency. They want to know your articles and the grammar. So these are some four assessment I given here. So this four assessment you have to practice before you shall start giving this. So you definitely gonna be select in this profile if you want to uh, seek in career teachers teaching field. So this is the best opportunity, guys. So you will definitely gonna select here. So and thanks for watching till yet, guys, and please do share and subscribe this channel. And today I'm going to be a consistently I will try to upload related to jobs in from last 3 months I was busy in my thing, so I'm not able to upload some videos regarding job opportunities, but this time I will do again. So thank you for watching.